How to make stickers on Snapchat and save them. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make stickers on Snapchat and save them. First, open the Snapchat app on your mobile device. Now take a snap using the camera. Then tap on the scissors icon on the right side. Now draw around the object you want to turn into a sticker. After that, you can move and adjust the sticker as needed. Next, go back to Memories and select any saved image. Then tap on the three dots at the top right corner. Now tap on Edit Snap and then tap on the scissors icon again. Draw around the object to create another sticker. Once done, the sticker will be saved automatically, and you can use it later in your snaps. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.